everyone to today's kayak trip. Today's trip is being run by the Gunnedah Urban Landcare Group.
Sling it through, left-hand side, over the top of your head. And it's got two clips. Okay, it's got a big one and a little one. We've just got some funding through the Northwest Local Land Services to run some community engagement projects. The Gunnedah Urban Landcare Group, although it's primarily involved with managing the natural resources and looking after some of the reserves around Gunnedah, we've identified the need to do some community engagement and awareness and educational activities to supplement our on-ground works. So we received some funding and we're running a kayak trip, or a couple of kayak trips down the Namoi River to increase awareness of the river habitats. We're looking at some of the native animals and plants. There's been a release for the purposes of the summer irrigation season, so it's running well. In terms of the banks, there are certainly some areas that are quite clearly quite degraded, apart from the areas where the Landcare Group and others have undertaken some quite good remediation activities where we've put some stabilisation and planted out, and that was the opportunity too to showcase some of the activities that the Landcare Group has done, because often these things are not as obvious unless you actually point them out, and being on the river is a great way to see that.
What they do is they scoop the dirt out like this, and they actually reverse into the ground until they're under the ground. This is the inland form of the carpet python, so on the coast there's one that looks quite similar but it's different. And then also on the coast there's the diamond python. Now this snake's called Bubbles, and it is really quiet, so who would like to hold it?
Just allow it to go wherever it wants.
Face us?
Just not
yes.
down.
Well, the benefits of this event that we've had today, of kayaking down the Namoi River, is that the people can comprehend what is a good riparian environment and what isn't. Where we travel today, we could see classic examples of a really good regeneration, of how the river is healing itself, and we could see other examples of the complete extreme where weeds are taking over and causing serious erosion. So yeah, and we were able to talk about the habitats along the river and the importance of those habitats to all the different species that occur on the river. And yeah, just the whole awareness thing to sort of help them understand what's going on in the rivers, the importance to both flora and fauna and the aquatic ecosystem of our rivers. And yeah, I think they got that message.